So hello friends, what's up guys, welcome back to the SR YouTube channel and into my another new video. So in this today's video I will show you how can you lock any chats in WhatsApp from your Android mobile. Okay, how can you turn on this feature in any chats of your WhatsApp application of any person. How can you hide or lock that chats, okay, and only you can unlock that chats and no one can see that chats, okay, unless you unlock with your fingerprint or password. Okay, this feature is very good in WhatsApp, but many of you don't know how to enable or turn on this WhatsApp chat lock feature in any chats. Okay, how to apply this, so that I'm gonna show you in my today's video under only 3 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's gonna start this video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and also press the notification bell icon, set it for all for my latest new videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now if you want to log any WhatsApp chats, how can you do this? So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and here you have to search WhatsApp and you have to go to this WhatsApp application, and just here you have to check whether this application is updated or not. Okay, if this application is not updated, then first you have to update this application. Okay, so first step is you have to update this application. Okay, my this WhatsApp has been updated right now, so here is no any update option. But if not updated in your mobile phone, then please update. Okay, and after you update, simply open your WhatsApp application and here you have to select any WhatsApp chat. Okay, this is my new account, so here is no more chats. Okay, so here you have to select any chats which you want to lock. Okay, simply go to that chat and you can see I have blurred this just for privacy purpose, and you have to go to the profile of that person, and then when you scroll down, just scroll down, you can see chat lock option clearly here is visible, chat lock. Okay, so simply go to this chat lock and what you have to do, lock this chat with fingerprint. Okay, here is written lock this chat with fingerprint. So simply you have to turn on this option. Okay, simply enable this option and here you have to press your finger in this fingerprint sensor. Okay, in your mobile phone fingerprint sensor you have to press confirm fingerprint to lock. Okay, so just after I press my finger in this sensor, you can see this chat is now locked. Okay, very easy trick guys, done. Now simply you have to click on this view button. Okay, you have to click on this view, and after you click on this view, you can see locked chats, and here is only one locked chats. This chat I have locked right now. Okay, I'm just showing you for the example. So this chat has been locked. Okay, this is the trick guys, very easy trick. And I remove this from my mobile background and I again open my WhatsApp to show you. Okay, so how can you check that locked chats? Okay, because here is not showing that chats, then now how can you see that chats? So simply you have to just scroll down. Okay, and after you just scroll down, so here you can see locked chats in this first tab. Okay, in the first, just you have to scroll down. Okay, and this option will be visible. So simply go to this and here you have to unlock with your fingerprint, or you can type your password also, mobile password. So simply you have to click on this fingerprint or password and then this has been unlocked. Okay, only you can unlock this chat. Okay, locked chats, and you can see I can again see this chat and I can again send whatever messages. Okay, so locked chats, I have locked this chat, and suppose I want to again unlock this. Okay, my work has been done and again I want to unlock this. So how can you do this? Simply you have to again go to this person profile. Okay, just you have to go to the profile and again you have to go to this chat lock. Okay, again you have to go to this chat lock and then simply you have to disable this. Okay, now simply turn off this option and simply after this chat lock turn off, then this also unlock. Okay, again I go back, so here you can see same like normal, this chat has been unlocked. I unlock this chat, so here is no any hidden, so it is now fully unlocked like normal. So this is the trick guys, very easy trick. And suppose if this chat lock feature is not showing in a mobile phone, this chat lock if not showing, then how can you solve this problem? Just you have to go to your web browser, any web browser you can go, And if this option is not visible or not working showing in a smartphone, simply you have to search WhatsApp beta lock chat apk. Okay, WhatsApp beta lock chat version apk. So here are so many versions of WhatsApp. In this versions, the chat lock option is inbuilt. Okay, this chat lock feature is available in these versions. Okay, these versions of WhatsApp. So this link is in my description. If this chat lock feature is not showing, then you can try this method also. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video to more people. So bye bye guys.